Hi everyone, it's K-Red, and welcome to my 2025 Peaceful Patterns Weekly Challenge. This year, I'm trying to improve my doodling knowledge by creating a new tile each week with a different tangle from tanglepatterns.com. Each week, our tile collection will grow and become a valuable resource in our future doodles. So, let's get started. Today we're doing K-Leesi. I'm not sure if I say that the right way. Hopefully I am. And it's a pattern that's done from Sharon Robinson from Southampton, UK. And I think this is just super fun. On tanglepatterns.com, it says Sharon writes, I was playing around with Helen Williams' scrolled feather tangle, and it developed into this wing type shape. If you want to see their step outs, you can just go to tanglepatterns.com. In their step out, they did not give themselves these guidelines, but I find I need just a little bit more help. Also, they did just one loop, and I'm going to add a couple. As I've been playing with this today, and I've done this a couple of times just as a little bit of a practice, because this is a brand new to me tangle. I had never seen it before. I'm adding just a little bit of an extra loop. Ooh, that was not very loopy, but I think it'll be okay. I think this is a kind of forgiving pattern. We'll go like that. Let's go ahead and give myself a little bit more of a tail. So that's all it is to begin with. We're going to do just this simple swirl, and then it comes down. I did the guidelines just to kind of help me tell where center was and kind of tell me where I was going. The next thing she adds are 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I did find that I do a little bit better when I draw these a little more purposefully. The first few times I did them, I said, oh, they're just a simple line. I can just whip right through them. And I really didn't like it as much as when I actually slowed down and drew them with some purpose. And I thought, okay, gives you a nice solid line. Gives us that slowed down breathing that we look for in our tangles. It just kind of goes like that. Then I'm going to start on this one just because it's in front of me. We're going to put like a web on the end. And it makes a super cute kind of wing. Now she does a bunch of different variations. They are super cute. And you can add, obviously, as many lines that you want on your winged. Well, see, on that one I only did 3. Let's add one more so I have the 4. So that they come down. Anybody who knows me knows I really like things to come down to a point. So I'm going to go ahead and add that point just because I like that. And I do love a solid dot in the center of each of these. So not quite on her pattern, but I really enjoy it. And that really is the pattern. That's the base pattern she made, and I think it is super, super cute. Like I said, it's called K-Leesi. It's by Sharon Robinson. And as always, we got it from tanglepatterns.com. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and switch to a pencil. That way I'll know that it's a variation. And I'm going to turn my tile just a little bit so I can run it straight along like this. And she did a really cute variation that I liked. And so she went and has a curved line like this. And then a curved line like this. So then from here, she feathered out her lines. And I'm going to try to follow, and then we're going to do them here. And let's go ahead and add our web. that should have connected to there. I am a firm believer of doing things in pencil when you do them for the first time. Just kind of gives myself the permission to make a mistake. And then I don't know what the order she did, but then this line becomes dark. It becomes a much thicker line. And as we do these tiles, I really like the idea of being able to also add on some of the variations that can spur some creativity. I think this would be a cute border. Having this be nice and dark. And we can even darken these a little. Yeah, that's one of the cute little variations she made. And you can see how they're very, very similar, just a small, slight difference. I don't know if I can succeed in one of her other variations, but let's give it a try. It goes down like this. Then it'll go down like this. And I dig these tiles, and I move forward in this little tile library or tile collection that I'll have of the tangles that we're learning. I like that the variations, and my plan is that the variations will always be done in pencil, and that way I'll know the actual step out, but I will still have some variations. So from here, and from here, and then they're just a little more connected to this circle. So, just a couple of variations, whereas these are freestanding, these are connected, and then this is kind of a sideways version. Once again, it's K-Leesi by Sharon Robinson, and of course the pattern came from tanglepatterns.com, as they all do will through this series. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Join me back next week for our next tile. And if you tried this, please take a picture, add it to the comments. I'd love to see what variations you did and how yours turned out. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.